Like my face was just super duper tight, like a baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen. If you are new here, please subscribe. I'll be waiting. Oh my goodness, my hair is so crazy. Okay, so and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back and for still watching my videos. I know I'm so inconsistent, but I'm gonna try my best to upload as often as I could. And yeah. Anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing this makeup look. I know it's a little too crazy for my usual makeup tutorials, but I wanted to experiment more with makeup. And yeah. Also, please stick until the end of this video because I'm gonna be doing a mini giveaway. Along with that, I will also be reviewing some skincare and makeup products that I am currently loving. So if that sparks your interest, please keep on watching.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try, even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. To prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't believe you, no. 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 I don't believe you, no, no. Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no. I don't believe you,
far, the first product that I wanted to talk about are these face masks. They are all from the brand called DEWYCEL. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I don't get sponsored as often. The first mask that I wanted to talk about is the lifting mask. Now this is my holy grail product. This is just so amazing. It's basically like a rubber or like silicone mask, and what this does is that it helps lift your face and like get rid of the creases right there. And I actually used this before I went on a date, and I can literally see the difference on my face. Like my face has gotten a lot more tighter, and it really does feel tight. The moment you use this, like when I put it out, it just feels like my face was just super duper tight, like a baby. And also, I'm gonna be giving away one of these face masks, so you get to try this as well. And next mask that I've been using, I actually used this the day before I put on my skincare and my makeup, and this is the DEWYCEL Private Care Mask. This mask, whenever I use this, it just feels super luxurious to me, and I love how soft and silky it makes my skin feel. And it comes with this private ampoule sheet, and this is the actual mask, and it just feels super luxurious because the experience is really amazing. Maybe I'll try and film how I use this in one of my videos, or like skincare videos in the future. But anyway, I will also be giving away one of these face masks, so you also get to try it as well. Next thing that I wanted to talk about and review from DEWYCEL is the Cica Plus Balm. This is a savior because my skin has been extremely dry. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because the weather has been really cold recently, and just my skin is just super dry and flaky, and I hate it. And I've been using this every single day. It's this in the morning as well as at night, and I also use this before applying makeup. So basically it just helps create that very moisturizing barrier on your face, and I can definitely attest to you that it does work, and it doesn't break me up as well because of course it has cica in it. So I've been loving this, and I've been using this. Like, I don't want to run out of this product because this has been my lifesaver. Next is the filtering cream. This has whitening effect, glowing effect, but most importantly, this product has SPF 50 PA+++, which you guys know I'm just really obsessed with. And basically I use this product whenever I'm going out, or even if I'm just staying at home and I don't want to put on anything. Usually when I use this product, I don't need to apply foundation, and I usually use this whenever I'm just gonna go out to see friends and I don't want to apply makeup. This is the only product that I've been using, and some eyeliner. And also, I'd like to say that all the products from DEWYCEL never broke me out, which is like a plus for me. You guys know how sensitive my skin is, so I know that these products are safe for every skin type because I have the most sensitive skin, I'm telling you guys. And this doesn't break me out. So, and of course, one of my most important part of my skincare routine is the eye cream. You guys know how obsessed I am with eye cream. I've been using eye cream since I was 19. The Eye Plus cream. I also use this on my smile lines because I'm almost 25, you guys, and this is gonna help with premature aging. So I've been using this religiously, and I really love this product. Okay, so last product that I'm gonna be reviewing from DEWYCEL. This is my most beloved product from their brand, and this is the DEWYCEL Super Cover Cushion. So this is what the cushion looks like. It's so pretty, and you guys, I don't know what they did with this cushion, but whenever I use this, my face just looks like a porcelain. Like, I can't even see my pores. Like, seriously, you guys, this is the most amazing cushion I've used in my whole life. I think I've mentioned that in my previous makeup tutorial, but this is like hands down my most favorite cushion ever. And the puff is also quite different because it's like a little bit too airy. I don't know why, but it just feels super different, and I'm just really obsessed with this cushion. Like, so yeah, definitely grab yourself this cushion because you're not gonna regret it. Okay guys, so that's it for my mini review and mini giveaway. Also, I'll be giving away some lip tint and some soap as well. It will be all listed on the description box below. If you wanted to join, just subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below. Comment down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and yeah, please, if you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications. I can't talk. I really can't talk. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.